Hey guys, it's Ziya. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little haul for you guys from ASTRA Signature, and if you feel like ASTRA sounds familiar, it's because Sometimes Glam, who is a YouTuber, launched this clothing brand. I feel like it was maybe 4 years ago. I don't know if she's like still connected to it, but on the website it still has all of the photos that she originally modeled for. So she's still part of it somehow. So yeah, when they contacted me about doing a haul for them, I was really excited because I am a big fan of Sometimes Glam's channel. She's really pretty and I follow her on Instagram. She's really cute. I'm not being paid for this video. However, they did let me choose items and they sent it to me for free in return for my honest review. So here I am with my honest review. The first thing I have here is this gorgeous romper. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. And it's very comfortable. It feels silky on the outside and I love that. The downside for me is that it does run a little big. I chose to get this in a 2X because I always get my rompers in a 2X because they have less wiggle room, obviously, because they are closed off. So it's not as free as a dress. And it is quite large on me. As you can see, it's like falling. So I would have to get this a little smaller, but had it been the right size, it would have been really, really good. The top has the little jelly portion, like strapless bras do, to help it stick to your chest here. Oh, and it has pockets. I really love this, and I'm probably just going to get it tailored, taken a couple of inches on each side to make it tighter. Also, ASTRA does tend to be on the higher side price-wise, but you can get a decent priced item if you buy it on sale. So keep that in mind. Sales do come. Eventually the prices drop, but a lot of their items are pretty high. This is piece number 1. Really nice. Fits a little big on me. So I feel like it's true to size or it runs big. So pay attention to all of the, whatchamacallits. Size charts. I couldn't remember the word. Alright, here's the next piece. It's this really simple black bodycon dress. I think it looks really nice. It looks really good. I'm not wearing the proper shapewear that I would wear with a bodycon dress. I'm just wearing high-waisted underwear. It feels really nice. It looked amazing on Crystal on the website, and I feel like if I were to wear the right shapewear, it would look almost as good. But it's cute. I like it. I don't wear black bodycon dresses or any bodycon dresses often, but one quick tip, if you want to wear a bodycon dress but you are not totally comfortable with it because of your tummy area, then I suggest just pulling it up a little bit, and then you can ruche it down so it kind of like camouflages any lines that you might have. Also, just tie the flannel around your waist, and I would wear it with a pair of sneakers. Alright, the next piece is this super cute little, oh my gosh, does this match the shoes? No, it doesn't, but it's close. Closely. That's good. Oh my gosh, I have an outfit idea coming. Those shoes are not from ASTRA. But yeah, this little cropped tank top here, my tummy end's a little lower. This is cropped up here, well, up here. But it's a little peplum tank top. It has a button, a zipper somewhere. Where is the zipper? Here's the zipper. It does have a zipper, like I was showing you, but I didn't use the zipper. I just pulled it on. The straps are adjustable, I believe. Yes, they are adjustable. I just did not adjust them yet. But it's a really cute top, and I like it. By the way, I usually wear 1X or a size 16, and this I got in an extra large, and it fits. This skirt is also from ASTRA. This also runs a little big. Just size down is the lesson here. I got this in a 2XL. I don't know what came over me. I should have gotten it in an extra large. I possibly could have even gotten it in a large because of how big it is. It does have a drawstring, so you can control it up to a point. Where is the drawstring? Oh, there it is. It's so big that I'm losing parts of it. Even though it is too big for me, if I did get it in the correct size, it would be a really cute skirt. The skirt is floor length and it has a slit. Now, originally when I tried it on, I kept the slit in the front like I have right now. And I was like, this is a little weird. And eventually I went back onto the website and Crystal was wearing it off to the side. I was like, oh, that makes so much better sense, having it off to the side. So it's really cute. I like it. The only thing that could make it better would be pockets. All in all, it's a nice skirt. It's this light chiffon-y type of skirt. So it's definitely like summer worthy. Really cute. I really like the skirt. But I do wish that I had gotten it in the right size. The lesson here is size down. If you're in between sizes, size down. Say it with me. If you're in between sizes, size down. Alright, down to the final item. How cute is this? Huh? There's slits on, one side. They're slit on one side. And I love the stripes. I really am in love with this dress. The straps are completely self-tying. Not tying themselves, but you have to tie them yourself. So you can make it as loose or as tight as you need it to. I got this in a 2X. I should have gotten it in a 1X because then this upper portion wouldn't have had too much going on over here. Because as it is, when I'm wearing it, it looks a little too bulky. And I'm not that bulky up here. There's a lot of extra fabric. So I should have gone with an extra large, but it's okay. It is a really cute dress. And I really like it. When I first saw this one on the website, this was probably the first dress I came across on the website that I was like, hold on, it's amazing. And I really like the stripes. It feels so happy. Happy yet Beetlejuice. I love it. I think it's really, really cute. However, I do wish that I had gotten a smaller size because this would have been a bit more fitted. But I am gonna make it work for me because this is such a cute dress and oh my gosh. If it was just like that open, not all that open, but you know, like kind of that open, a little bit more fitted here. Get your right size, okay? I did the mistakes over and over again of getting a size that was too big. Go with your real size or size down because you don't need to size up. So yeah, I love this dress. It's so cute. Final thoughts on Astra. Get things while they're on sale. Do not size up. Pay good attention to the size charts, and if you feel like you are in between, size down for sure. Because I sized up in a lot of these things and a lot of it was just too big for me. My mistake. I like the clothes. They actually do feel very high quality. Probably the worst quality item that I tried on was the bodycon dress. And that was just because it was thin. But even though it was thin, it wasn't see-through. That is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. I put out new videos every week, so I hope you guys stick around for those. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.